Spectrum versus Frontier. Which fiber internet is actually better? Today I ran real-world comparisons to help you decide which provider more likely gives you the faster, smoother, and more reliable connection. The first big difference is in how each provider delivers the internet. Spectrum mostly uses a hybrid fiber coaxial network, fiber to the neighborhood but coaxial for the last mile. That gives decent download speeds, but upload speeds are limited and performance can dip during busy times. Frontier, in areas where fiber is available, delivers full fiber all the way to your home. That means you get symmetrical upload and download speeds, a real benefit if you do video calls, cloud uploads, remote work, or heavy usage tasks. In real-world testing where fiber is available, Frontier fiber held up well all day. Downloads remained stable, uploads behaved consistently, streaming worked smoothly even with multiple devices connected, and latency stayed low, ideal for gaming, remote work, or media streaming. Spectrum's cable performance was generally good too and fine for everyday use like browsing or casual streaming. However, under heavy demand, many devices uploads simultaneous streaming, upload limits, and occasional slowdowns became noticeable. On pricing and clarity, Frontier Fiber tends to offer competitive plans with symmetrical speeds and fewer overt limitations if fiber is present. Spectrum remains widely available across many areas, so your odds of being able to get service are higher, but what you get depends a lot on local infrastructure. Cable may suffice, but fiber class performance isn't guaranteed. So if both providers offer true fiber at your address, Frontier tends to offer the more balanced, future-proof connection. But if you only have access to Spectrum's cable network, or if fiber isn't available, Spectrum still remains a reasonable, reliable choice for standard home internet use.